In today's fast-paced world, finding peace and connection is essential. Yoga, an ancient practice, offers a path to balance and unity with our higher self. It's more than exercise. It's a holistic journey that unites mind, body, and spirit. Through mindful breathing, meditation, and intentional movement, yoga fosters inner peace and clarity. Certain poses enhance spiritual alignment, grounding, and centering us. Setting intentions and using affirmations during practice deepens our connection. Join us for our special event, Be More You with Yoga, to explore your inner wisdom. Experience guided meditation, yoga, and mindfulness practices focused on spiritual alignment. Foster a deeper connection with your higher self for greater peace and fulfillment. Join our program, Be More You with Yoga. Visit our website and check out our blog, Yoga Unity with Higher Self, to learn more.